This has become my favorite hair butter. Hello, friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making the rosemary hair butter, and I have measured out two big scoops of rosemary leaves, dried leaves, and I measured out two big scoops because I like to take into consideration that it's really impossible to save every single ingredient during the process. So I make room for some waste when I measure out the herbs and oils. Now today I'll be infusing the rosemary herbs with grapeseed oil. I'm using grapeseed oil for this herb butter because it's tailored to my client's needs. Her hair responds very nicely to grapeseed oil. So I start by grinding the dried rosemary leaves into powder form. It's easier to infuse when it's in powder form. So what makes rosemary so special? It is known to have antifungal and antibacterial properties which help prevent dandruff and keep the scalp healthy. Rosemary is also known to improve blood flow to the blood vessels in the scalp, thereby stimulating hair growth, preventing hair loss, and reducing inflammation. After scooping the powder into a clean jar, I then add 60 ml of grapeseed oil to start infusing. After mixing the oil and the powder together, I proceed to keep it in a cool, dark place for about 2 weeks or more to have a stronger infuse. 2 weeks have gone by since I prepared the oil, and I just let it infuse for 2 weeks because I needed to use it urgently. But you could choose to leave yours for longer than 2 weeks. So now it's time to strain out the oil, and I'll be using a cheesecloth. The rosemary infused oil is ready, and it's time to prepare the herbal butter. I'll be using the double boiler method to melt a tablespoon of shea butter using low heat. Once melted, I'll take it off the fire and then proceed to add the rosemary infused oil. Next, I'll be adding a set of essential oils because I like to be extra. I like to get an all round benefit from different oils. So I'll be adding some more rosemary oil, essential oil this time around. I add in about 15 to 20 drops. And next, lavender oil to give me benefits too. Rosemary and lavender oil go very well together and it helps the scalp health. Then I'll be adding peppermint oil because peppermint oil stimulates the scalp, it stimulates hair growth. When there's blood flow through the scalp, the hair naturally grows. After which I will add tea tree oil, 5 drops of it, because tea tree oil keeps the scalp healthy. It prevents inflammation, it treats dandruff. You can also add vanilla essential oil to give it a sweet fragrance. After mixing the oils properly, I'm going to leave it in the freezer for about 10 minutes to solidify a bit. Now it's time to whisk the mixture and make the cream fluffy. After whisking the herbal butter, I'm going to put it into a piping bag to make it easier to pour it into the clean jar. The herbal butter is ready. It's beautiful. It smells divine as usual. And it just feels soft to the touch. Yep. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you try this out and you enjoy it. Um, yeah, as always, keep being kind. God bless you and see you soon. Cheers.